Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you doing, my friends? I hope that everything is going well with you. So here in this episode we will deal with the sound k in Arabic. How do we say how many, and how do we differentiate between the WH question who and what and what. So welcome again to this series of Arabic lessons. So here, so we will have some pictures. We've already seen a desk, and we've said that in Arabic we say maktabun, maktabun, maktabun for a desk, and markabun, markabun for a boat. So these are two words that we have already seen in the first video. So for those of you who haven't seen them yet, or it yet, so consider seeing it, because it's a series of lessons. Yeah, so a desk is maktabun, maktabun, and a boat is markabun, markabun. So now we have two new words, and they both contain the letter k that we will be dealing with in this video, which is a boxer, mulakimun, 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 and a cake, ka'katun, ka'katun. I know that's this letter al-ain, al-ain, like the eye in Arabic, we call it ain. So this ain or this sound is a little bit hard for you to pronounce, but it will come inshallah. So now when we say هذا كتاب مريم, so we've already seen هذا and هذه. Yes, so هذا and هذه are both the same as this, demonstrative pronouns. This, yes, we've already talked about this, and we've said that are demonstrative adjectives. Sorry, demonstrative adjectives, this, and we've said that for male words we say هذا, هذا in Arabic, and for female words or things or human beings we say هذه, and they are both for singular. So here what do we have? We want to point out a book, and a book in Arabic is considered male. So we will say هذا كتاب, هذا كتاب. Yes, and if we know to whom it belongs, we will say, for instance, for this one we will say هذا كتاب مريم, هذا كتاب مريم. This is Maryam's book. هذا كتاب مريم. Yes, and here for this one here we will say, what should we say? We will say هذا كتاب, هذا كتاب كريم, هذا كتاب كريم. So هذا كتاب مريم and هذا كتاب كريم. Yes, so here, so we have a picture here. We should know, is it ka'katun, which is a cake? Is it tamratun? We've already seen tamratun, a date, or samakatun, which is a fish. So we will say هذه سمكة, هذه سمكة. A fish, in Arabic is considered female. We say samakatun, samakatun. So هذه سمكة. Yes, and here we have markabun, markabun, which is a boat, kitabun, which is a book, and koratun, 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 which is a ball, a ball. So we have here koratun. We'll say هذه koratun, because a ball in Arabic is considered female. هذه كرة، هذه كرة، هذه سمكة, and هذه كرة. Yes. So here we will see a new letter. The letter for today, or for today's lesson, will be حرف الكاف. حرف الكاف. The sound K. The sound K. So here we have كريم، كريم، كم لك من كتاب. كريم، كم لك من كتاب. كم لك من كتاب. So كريم، كم لك من كتاب, which means كريم, how many books do you have? How many books do you have? كم لك من كتاب. So كريم، كم لك من كتاب. كريم، ك, ك, ك. So we have the ka, the sound k in the beginning of the word كريم, which is ka, and we've already seen the vowels in the first video. So whenever we have this fatha above the letter, the sound k, we will say ka, ka. So ka, 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 karimun. Kam, kam, which is how many. Whenever we want to ask somebody about the number of anything, for instance, the number of brothers he has got, we will say kam laka min ikhwatin. Kam laka min ikhwatin. How many brothers do you have? Yes. So kam is the same as how many. Kam, ka, 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 kam. Laka, laka. So here we are, let's say, pointing out that I'm talking to you for a male person, a singular male person. I say laka, kam laka, laka, ka, ka, ka. Min kitab, kitab, kitab is a book, one book. Kitabun. So we have the sound k, but with a kasra. Kasra means it will become ki, ki. The kasra is put under the letter. So ki, 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 kitabun. Yes. Here we'll see how do we, let's say, ask some questions. ماذا يأكل كريم. ماذا, ماذا is the same as what, the WH, what. When we ask about objects or animals, we say ماذا. ماذا يأكل, يأكل كريم. What is Karim eating? What is he eating? ماذا يأكل. ماذا يأكل. Is he eating كعكة? You remember this كعكة, this tricky word كعكة, which is a cake? No, he's not eating. Yes, yes, in fact he's eating a cake. سمكة. Is he eating سمكة? سمكة, which is a fish? No, he's not eating a fish. Or تمرة. تمرة, a date. Now here كريم, كريم يأكل, يأكل, يأكل كعكة. So he's eating a cake. He's eating a cake. Now هذا we've already said that هذا is this for singular male things. هذا مكتب. So here we are designating a desk, but we want to know to whom does it belong. So we'll say هذا مكتب من. When we say man, it means that we want to know whose desk is this one. We want to have a name, someone's name. So man is للعاقل. Man is always used for human beings. من هذا مكتب من. هذا مكتب من. Whose desk is this one? We can say هذه كرة من. Whose ball is this one? هذا مركب من. Whose boat is this? So here هذا مكتب من. So is it Karim's or Mariam's? Obviously we have Mariam here, so we will say هذا because we're talking about a desk, and the desk is considered male. We will say هذا مكتب مريم. هذا مكتب مريم. هذا مكتب مريم. إنه ليس مكتب كريم. It's not Karim's. إنه ليس مكتب كريم. إنه كتاب مريم. إنه كتاب مريم. Yes, and we will have here extra words with the letter k or the sound k. We have كلب, which is a dog. كلب, and we have ركبة, a knee, ركبة, and كلب, a dog, and سمكة, which is a fish. So for now, let's write this letter, al-kaf, harful kaf. Yes, so we write it like this. If it is in the beginning of the word, like this, in the middle, like this, and in the end, it can have one of these shapes, one of these two shapes. This could be like that in the end, like the first one, or like this. So they're all, or they're both harfu al-kaf, the sound k, yes. So now, so if we put a fatha, al-fatha, above harf al-kaf, it becomes ka. If we put damma, ad-damma, it becomes ko. And if we put a kasra, al-kasra under the letter, it becomes ki. Yes, so we have here some words with the letter k or al-kaf. بعض الكلمات, some words. كلمة is a word. كلمة, it contains the letter k in the beginning. كلمة, and we have here كتف, which is a shoulder. كتف. We have سكر, سكر سكر and the حرف الكاف here is in the middle. سكر sugar sugar سكر. I think they have the same roots in English and in Arabic as well. سكر and sugar, they are a little bit, let's say, the same. It's the same let's say sound. سكر sugar. شاكر شاكر grateful. Someone who is شاكر to somebody else has been grateful to somebody else. شاكر أنا شاكر لكم. I'm grateful to you. شاكر. Yes, and in the end سمك سمك. We've already seen سمكة, which is a fish, one fish, but here we have the plural form of سمكة, which is سمك. سمك, the plural form of سمكة, fish, fish. And we have سباك سباك. So we've already said that the حرف الكاف, if it is placed in the end of the word, it can take two or one of these two shapes. It could be like that. It could be also like this. So we have here سباك, a plumber. سباك سباك. Here we have some words containing this sound k or حرف الكاف. So ديكون, ديكون, which is a rooster. كبير, كبير, big. لذيذ. Do we have a K here? No, we don't have. We don't. لذيذ means delicious. مكتب, مكتب. We've already seen this word. مكتب, which is a desk. مركز, 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 a station. كأس, كأس, a glass or a cup. كتف, كتف, a shoulder. كبد, 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 lever. And كف, كف, a fist. كف. So which one of these words doesn't contain the letter كاف, al-kaf? So لذيذ, لذيذ, it doesn't contain the letter كاف. So ديك كبير, ديك كبير. مكتب, مركز. كأس, كتف. كبد, كف, كف. So we have here the letter, the sound k or حرف الكاف, the letter K or K. So we've said that with a fatha it's ka, with the dhamma is ku, ku, and with the kasra is ki, ki. Now with a fatha and alif, alif, it's ka, ka. With dhamma and waw, waw, ku, ku. And with kasra and ya, ki, ki, like the key, the key, the keys, key, key. So ka, ka, ku, 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 ki, ki. I want you to remember this or these vowels, because the vowels are a little bit let's say tricky or hard to remember in the first place. So ka, ku, ki, ka, ku, ki.